Uranium, uran. Uranium is a chemical element with the symbol U and atomic number 92. Uranium is a silver gray metal in the actinide series of periodic table. Uranium atom consists of 92 protons and 92 electrons, in which 6 electrons are valence. Uranium is found in nature in the form of mixture of two isotopes, uranium-238, which amounts to 99.3% of the whole amount of mineral, and uranium-235, which is equal to 0.7%. Uranium-235 is of special importance because under certain conditions its atoms can split, releasing a huge amount of energy in the form of heat. The heat is used to make steam, and steam is used to produce electricity. Uranium mining, добыче урана. Mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or any other geological materials from the earth. In case of uranium, it is mined from the deposits using 3 methods. 2 of them are conventional. They are open pit mining and underground mining, and typical for all other minerals. In situ leaching is the third one and is used mainly for mining uranium. Kazakhstan produces the largest share of the global supply of uranium from its mines, up to 41%, followed by Canada 13% and Australia 12%. Ore, руда. Ore is a natural rock that contains one or more valuable minerals, typically metals, that can be mined, treated, and sold at a profit. The grade of the ore refers to the concentration of the desired mineral. The value of metal or any other mineral in the ore must be weighted against the costs of extraction and determined whether it is worth mining or not. The ore must be processed in order to extract necessary mineral from the waste rock. Open pit mining, добыча открытым способом. Open pit mining is a surface mining technique of extraction minerals and rocks from the earth, removing it from the open pit or burrow. In the open pit mining, the overburden of soil is removed by blasting or drilling to expose ore body. Ore body lately is mined by blasting or excavation using loaders and dump trucks. The workers spend most of the time in enclosed cabins to minimize exposure to radiation. Water is widely used to suppress the airborne dust level. The depth of an open pit rarely exceeds 120 meters. Underground mining – подземный способ разработки. Underground mining is a technology used to extract ore from below the surface of the earth. Uranium underground mining doesn't differ much from any other underground mining of minerals and ores, and many of them are quite often mined in association with the uranium, for example, copper, silver, or gold. Once the ore body has been identified, the shaft is made nearby the ore body, and later horizontal cross cuts are driven to the veins of the ore body at different levels, usually every 100–150 meters. All underground tunnels must be well ventilated to minimize the risk of exposure to radiation for staff due to the risk of radon gas. In situ leaching – метод подземного выщелачивания. In situ leaching is a mining technique that involves leaving the ore in the ground and dissolving minerals and pumping them in form of pregnant solution to the surface. Weakly acidified water, usually sulfuric acid, is used, with lots of oxygen is circulated in the deposit, and later this pregnant solution with a dissolved uranium in it is pumped back to the surface treatment plant. There, uranium is extracted in the form of precipitate. Most mines of United States, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan use these methods, as well as Russia and China. Yellowcake – концентрат U3O8 или желтый кек. Yellowcake, also called urania, is a type of uranium powder concentrate obtained from leach solutions in an intermediate step of processing of uranium ores. It is a step after uranium has been mined, but before fuel fabrication or enrichment. Yellowcake forms a powder which is insoluble in water, contains about 80% of uranium oxide, which melts at the temperature of approximately 2880 degrees Celsius. Deposit, залежь. Deposit is natural concentration of minerals in the earth crust. The degree of concentration is known as grade. The ore deposit is the deposit in which minerals are contained at enough high grade to make it economically proven to mine and process. Essentially, it means that the costs of processing the ton of rock should be lower than the value of metals containing in it. Radon gas, газ радон. Radon is a chemical element with the symbol of Rn and atomic number 86. Radon is a radioactive, tasteless, odorless, noble gas. It can be inhaled easily under normal conditions. Radon is considered to be a health hazard. Alpha radiation emitted by radon gas is the same type of alpha radiation emitted by any other alpha radiation generating source like plutonium. Scoop tram – порододоставочная машина. Scoop tram, similar to front-end loader, is equipped with a huge bucket, about 5 tons, in the front, and is used in underground mining to deliver ore in the tunnels. The operator doesn't sit in the cabin. Scoop tram is operated in a distance with a special remote control, minimizing the risk of injury due to the fall of the ore over the head of operator and, of course, the risk of radiation due to the radon gas.